Hello and welcome to this video on some facts about cycling. Cycling is a popular sport and form of exercise that has been enjoyed by people around the world for many years. Whether you're a casual rider, a competitive racer, or someone who enjoys exploring the great outdoors, cycling offers a variety of benefits that make it an ideal activity for people of all ages and fitness levels. In this video, we will explore the history of cycling, the different types of cycling, and the many benefits of this exciting and rewarding activity. History. Cycling has a long and fascinating history that dates back to the early 19th century. The first bicycle, known as the dandy horse, or running machine, was invented in 1817 by Baron Karl von Drais of Germany. Types of cycling. There are many different types of cycling, each with their own unique benefits and challenges. Here are some of the most popular types of cycling. Road cycling. This involves riding on paved roads and is usually done on lightweight, high-performance bikes designed for speed and agility. Road cycling can range from leisurely rides to competitive races. Mountain biking. This involves riding on off-road trails and requires a specialized bike with suspension and larger, knobby tires. Mountain biking can range from easy rides on beginner trails to challenging rides with steep hills and obstacles. Touring cycling. This involves long-distance rides on roads or trails, often with camping gear and supplies carried on the bike. Touring cyclists travel at a slower pace and focus on enjoying the scenery and the journey. Recreational cycling. This involves riding for fun and exercise, often on bike paths or quiet roads. Recreational cycling is a great way to stay active and enjoy the outdoors. BMX cycling. This involves riding on small, trick-oriented bikes and performing stunts and tricks on ramps, rails, and other obstacles. Benefits of cycling. Cycling offers a wide range of physical, mental, and environmental benefits. Here are just a few of the many benefits of cycling. Improved cardiovascular health. Cycling is a great cardiovascular workout that can help improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Increased strength and endurance. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that can help build strength and endurance in the legs, hips, and core. Weight management. Cycling is an effective way to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Reduced stress and anxiety. Cycling can help reduce stress and anxiety and improve mental well-being. Environmentally friendly. Cycling is a sustainable and eco-friendly form of transportation that can help reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Improved mobility and balance. Cycling can help improve balance, coordination, and mobility, especially in older adults. Cost-effective. Cycling is a relatively inexpensive activity that can be done with minimal equipment and no ongoing costs. Tips for cycling. Invest in a good bike. Investing in a good quality bike can make all the difference in your cycling experience. Make sure to choose a bike that is comfortable and fits your body well, as well as one that suits the type of cycling you plan to do. Wear the right gear. Wearing the right gear is important for comfort and safety when cycling. A helmet is a must-have, and padded shorts, cycling shoes, and gloves can also help improve your comfort and performance. Warm up before riding. Before setting off on your bike, take a few minutes to warm up your muscles with some light stretching or a short walk. This can help prevent injuries and improve your overall performance. Start slowly. If you're just starting out, don't try to push yourself too hard too soon. Start with shorter, easier rides and gradually increase your distance and intensity over time. Stay hydrated. It's important to stay hydrated when cycling, especially in hot weather. Carry a water bottle or hydration pack with you, and make sure to drink regularly throughout your ride. Observe traffic laws. When cycling on roads, it's important to observe traffic laws and ride defensively. This means obeying traffic signals, staying visible, and being aware of your surroundings at all times. Take breaks as needed. Don't push yourself too hard and take breaks as needed. This can help prevent fatigue and improve your overall enjoyment of the ride. Stop to rest, stretch, and refuel as needed. Conclusion. Cycling is a fun, rewarding, and beneficial activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, build strength and endurance, or simply enjoy the great outdoors, Cycling offers a variety of options and benefits that make it a great choice for anyone. Like the video and remember to subscribe to our channel.